Don't eat it. McAllen, don't eat it. No. McAllen, no. No. Whoops. McAllen, can you stop him?
Disagree with them. So last year at 11-5, before the nonsense kicked into gear with the trip to Miami, you're thinking 11-5. Here we go. We're going to Green Bay.
McAllen.
Rodgers, and we're going on to the. Here comes one of those runs.